These types of videos get millions of views. This channel doesn't do anything special or complicated, but it makes a lot of money month after month. In this video, I'm going to reveal all the strategies behind this area so that we can follow suit, build our own channel, and earn more money. I'm also going to show you some important things to avoid so that the YouTube algorithm falls in love with you. Exciting, isn't it? This is what I'm going to start today, and for this project, I've given myself 60 days. I want to walk this path with you. The reason is simple. According to my research, this area has both a large audience and little competition, which means the chances of success are very high. The truth is, this is just a superficial trick and one of the main reasons why your channel might not be getting enough views yet. I'll explain it to you in full soon. But first, let me show you something. In fact, all this incredible growth happened in just 1 month. Some might say that this channel is not monetizable, but this channel is monetizable. So if you really want to see results, please listen carefully to what I say and follow me step by step, because I am going to teach you in depth how to best build your channel and what strategies to use. And the best part, I am giving you all these tutorials completely free of charge. Now it's time to get into ChatGPT. I wrote a simple request: generate 15 cool prompts about Minion. In less than a few minutes, ChatGPT produced all the prompts in great quality. That means I had engaging, ready-to-use content without the need for extensive research or time wasting. In the rest of this video, I'll show you exactly how to use these prompts, how to create a professional video, and how to make the YouTube algorithm fall in love with our channel. So stick with me until the end of this tutorial, because you're going to learn things that most people don't know that will set you up for success. Here I'm going to show you how to make similar videos. There's a great tool called Nim Video AI that allows you to create realistic and engaging videos with just a simple text. It's one of the most impressive content creation tools I've ever used, and the best part is, you'll see the results in a matter of seconds. To get started, just click on the link I've included in the video description and sign up for the site. Using this link, you'll get 150 free credits, so you can explore and test out the amazing features of this site at no cost. Don't miss out. This is your first step into the professional world of AI-powered video production. Now that you have successfully registered, it is time to start your first project. First, click on the Create button. On the new page, go to the All Tools section. Here you have many options, such as text to image, image to video, text to video. In this tutorial, I will select the text to image option. Now, just enter all the prompts that you have previously prepared with the help of ChatGPT in this section. Now it's time to import the prepared prompts. First, copy the prompts you have prepared with the help of ChatGPT and import them into the special section. Then, in the model section, you can choose one of the professional models such as Flux Pro, Google Imagen, or other models. In the aspect ratio section, you can also specify the dimensions and size of the image you want. After making these settings, just click the Generate button. In less than a few moments, you will have wonderful images created for you. In the same way, copy and import all 15 prompts you have taken from ChatGPT one by one to prepare your complete set of images. This is a method that allows you to quickly and professionally create attractive content without the need for filming or hard editing. I promise you that if you follow this path step by step and continue with perseverance, you can get wonderful results in a few months. Now that the photos are created, we need to convert them to video. Go to the home page, click on All Tools, and select Image to Video. In this section, you can convert your photos into awesome videos. Now that you have imported the photos, you can make various settings in the Add section, such as choosing the type of clothing, background motion, lighting, main color, style and mood, facial expression, camera angle, and display speed. Each of these sections has various options that you can choose from depending on your needs. In the Select Model section, you can also choose models such as the standard Kling model or the advanced Kling model and other models. In the More Control section, you can also set the duration of the video, for example, 5 seconds or 10 seconds, and also enter things that you do not want to be seen in the video in the negative description section. Finally, click the Create button and your video will be ready in a short time. Do these steps for all your photos to have a collection of high-quality and professional videos. This site is truly one of the best and most powerful tools I have ever seen. Complete tutorial on making a professional video in CapCut. Step by step to success. Now it's time to enter the CapCut program. At this point, you need to import all the videos you have previously prepared into a new project. Note that after importing the videos, their order will usually be irregular. For this reason, it is necessary to carefully and patiently review the videos one by one and arrange them according to the story and process you had in mind. This is very important because it will make your final video look smoother, more attractive, and completely professional. After adjusting the order of the videos, it's time to choose the background music. Music plays a very key role in increasing the impact and attractiveness of the video. Therefore, try to choose a song that reflects the overall mood of your project well. If your project is happy and energetic, choose rhythmic and happy songs. And if your video is more serious, emotional, or mysterious, softer or more exciting music will be better options. Once you add music, you can make your video look many times more professional by using visual effects, motion animations, and smooth transitions between scenes. CapCut offers you amazing features including adjusting color and lighting, adding special filters, using 3D effects, adding explanatory texts, and many other creative features. With a little creativity, you can create a video that will amaze your viewers. Finally, after carefully reviewing the project and ensuring the final quality, export your project in the highest possible quality and get ready to publish on various platforms. If Mr. Beast can do it, so can you. In today's world, success is no longer reserved for those with huge capital or professional equipment. Success is the lot of those who have the courage to start, the desire to learn, and the strength to keep going. The best example of this is none other than Mr. Beast, one of the biggest internet stars in the world. He started his career with the simplest tools, without a professional team, without a studio, and without even having a starting income. He spent hours in front of his computer, editing videos himself, and instead of following trends, he focused on his own creative ideas. He failed many times, lost views, and was disappointed, but he never gave up. His unparalleled perseverance, love of learning, and strong faith in success paved his path. Today, Mr. Beast not only has millions of followers, but he is an inspiration to thousands of people around the world. You can too, even without a face, without experience, with just your mobile phone. You might be asking, how can I make money on YouTube without showing my face, without any experience, and with just a simple phone? The answer is simple. Just like Mr. Beast started, you can too. Today, tools like CapCut and features like AI give you the opportunity to produce professional content without the need for expensive systems or advanced equipment. There are no more excuses left. All you need is a serious decision to start. Remember, everyone who is successful today was once at the starting point. They also started with no skills, no experience, no followers, and no income. The only difference between them and others was that they started, learned, kept going, and never gave up. So don't wait. Take your phone, open CapCut, create your idea, and create your first video today. Maybe this video you are making now is your first step towards a success you never imagined. Thank you for following me until the end of this tutorial. I hope these steps were useful to you and will help you create engaging, creative, and professional videos. If you liked this tutorial, be sure to stay tuned for my next tutorials. Write your comments, questions, or suggestions in the comments section. Until the next video.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Until then, nope, a nope, a nope, a nope, definitely nope, a nope, nope, a nope. Probably never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. Oh,